Silence carries more power than shouting ever will. When you build your empire in silence, when you grind without announcing it to the world, nobody knows what to attack. They can't tear down what they can't see. You're making too much noise, you talk too much. Listen to me carefully, the person who talks the most accomplishes the least. I'm telling you straight up. Don't broadcast your vision to everyone. Your dreams will create enemies. Your ambitions will attract doubters and haters. Work in silence. Let your creator do what needs to be done in your life, and let him surprise everyone who doubted you. Sometimes you're the sharpest person in the room, but you don't need everybody knowing that. Let them underestimate you. Let them think you don't have it figured out, and they'll keep talking, revealing everything, showing their hand completely. That's a massive advantage. When I step into the arena, and they step into the arena, I want what everyone wants. But when the pressure arrives, when the challenge hits, when the pain creeps in, when the bruises appear, I just wanted it a little bit more than they wanted it. If you don't have more heart than me, if you haven't been working harder than me, if you haven't sacrificed more than me, I'm going to defeat you. And I'm not backing down, I'm not running away. I don't care what the statistics say, I don't care how many victories you've had, I don't care if they say we're outnumbered. We live by this principle, and we'll die by this principle. We don't retreat. You don't judge a person by where they stand in times of comfort and convenience. You judge them by where they stand in times of challenge and controversy. When you work for something, it gives you a different type of connection to it. The harder you work for something, the harder it is to surrender it. That's why some people can give up so easily. They haven't invested anything, they haven't worked for it. They haven't sacrificed for it. Where are you going with your life? Why be average when you can be exceptional? A harmless person is not a strong person. A strong person is a very dangerous person who has that power under complete control. We have to be willing to outwork everyone on this planet. That's the difficult part. You have to have a plan, and you have to spend every waking hour outside of whatever job you're currently doing planning your escape. And you have to come to the realization very clearly that you made mistakes, and you got yourself stuck. There's no true fighter who hasn't gotten to the point where there's nothing left. When there's no energy left, when there's no joy remaining in that fight, all they have left is the will to get back up again. You got to have a purpose. No matter what you do in life, you must have a purpose. You're going to lose sleep. You'll doubt whether it'll work out. You'll stress about making ends meet. You won't finish your to-do list. You'll wonder whether you made the right decision, and have no way to know for years. This is what difficult feels like, and that's acceptable. Everything worth doing is difficult. What are we all waiting for to start attacking life? Waiting for perfect conditions. When I was growing up, there was a song that said, all I need is a miracle. Well, guess what? That miracle isn't coming. There is no perfect time to start. You gotta start right now with changing your life. We're all being tested in life, and this is one test you can't cheat on. We all have our own tests. Some of us struggle with weight. Some of us battle depression. Some of us fight insecurity. In the military, we carry a heavy rucksack on our backs. It contains batteries, water, extra gear. Your extra gear is the challenges you're dealing with in life. And the only way to overcome it is for you and you alone to face it head on. The world is waiting for what you have to offer, but you've got to give it everything you've got. Work in silence, build in the shadows, and let your success make all the noise. Your time is now.